Hey guys, and welcome back to another quick form video. In today's video, we're talking about Metro by T-Mobile and some of the deals that they have going on. This could be a holiday deal, but let's go ahead and check it out. So Metro by T-Mobile, of course, they run through T-Mobile's network, so it's pretty good. They do have quite a bit of offers and specials and stuff. That's what I like about them. The only thing I don't really mess with Metro by T-Mobile is I don't live too much in the city, so this coverage is a little spotty in the areas that I do go. So that's why I stick with somebody else. But Metro by T-Mobile is pretty good. T-Mobile's network, of course, is blazing fast when you do get 5G speed. And like I said, it totally depends on the area. But enough of that. We're not doing a review on their network. We're doing a review on this deal that I have going on. So take home the brilliant iPhone XR for just $49.99. So wow, you can get an iPhone XR for $50. I know other people do it like Cricket, but let's see what kind of requirements Metro has for you. It says when you bring your number and activate on a $60 rate plan, Metro gives you more for the holidays with a 6.1-inch display, powerful A12 Bionic chip, and 12 megapixel camera. So wow, pretty good. You're getting quite a bit of goodies there. Like I said, you do have to see the fine print, and I like that they don't really hide it from you. It says iPhone XR Switcher Plus instant rebate. It says for a limited time at a participating Metro by T-Mobile stores. So you cannot get this offer online. I don't know why Metro does that. A lot of people are buying online these days. Nobody really wants to go into a store that much, especially with everything going on, but it is what it is. But I do like that they make people go into a store though, and the other face of the coin is that it does bring business to a local dealership and just keeps the economy going. So it says purchase an iPhone XR 64 gig, import in an eligible wireless number to that phone on the $60 monthly plan and receive an instant $450 rebate off the full retail price of $499.99 with validation of name, address, and date of birth. I don't know why Metro is trying to do all this stuff, making you do a valid name, address. Like, what do you do? Show your ID? I mean, it's prepaid, guys. Prepaid really doesn't, at least back in the day, didn't really care. I mean, you go to most carriers, they might ask you for, maybe an ID to write down the name, or just give me your name and I'll put it in. I mean, it's prepaid. What are you going to do? It says, and date of birth provided through the independent database and presentation of matching identification. Like, what? Sales tax not included and is collected in accordance with state and local law. Excludes phone numbers currently active on T-Mobile network or Metro by T-Mobile in the past 180 days. Limited to total switcher instant rebates and limited to total new line rebates per account household. Provided in form of credit against regular purchase price at time of sale and has no cash value. Basically, it's saying you have to port your number over from a different carrier. It cannot be T-Mobile based, so it cannot be using T-Mobile's network, and cannot be Metro by T-Mobile or anybody other MVNOs like Mint Mobile, I believe, use T-Mobile's network, and you couldn't have had them within 180 days, so you can get this rebate. So wow, 180 days. I mean, it's a long time. I do like that they do that though, because it prevents people from hopping between prepaid and prepaid carriers. That's what they used to do. You get, once you wanted a new phone, you hop over to another carrier, you get a discount, and that's how you do it. Just every month. I mean, you just go from month to month. They used to do that a lot, guys. I've been doing in the prepaid industry, in the cell phone industry for many years now. And this is what they do. So I like that Metro is taking these steps to kind of prevent that. So let's go ahead and click check it out and see what else they have. If this thing will load, jeez. Alright, now that it loaded, after a while, I don't know, Metro's page is kind of slow, but that phone XR is still a real good phone. I still have my XR, guys. Real good phone, 6.1 liquid retina display, of course. You're not getting that HD. Display, it's like an LCD screen, whatever. Still looks good. I mean, of course, a Pro model is going to look better, but hey, man, who cares? 12 megapixel and a 7 megapixel camera, so 12 in the back, 7 in the front, I believe. 64 gigs of internal memory. Of course, has a 4.6 star. Still a real good phone in 2021, going into 2022, guys. If you don't want a super expensive phone, you just want something budget, XR is still the way to go. Especially right now, kind of cheap, $500 for an iPhone is really cheap. I mean, for 50 bucks is even cheaper, you know. So it says iPhone XR features a 6.1-inch Retina liquid display, the most advanced LCD in the industry, which is real nice. I mean, props to Apple, man. They really do a good job with their products. Advanced Face ID, the smartest, most powerful chip in the smartphone at that time of the phone coming out. Of course, now there's like the A13 or whatever, A14 or whatever's out there now. And breakthrough camera system in 6 stunning new finishes. So it is IP67 water and dust resistant, depth up to 1 meter, up to 30 minutes, 12 megapixel camera with OIS, and 7 megapixel true depth front camera. Portrait mode, portrait lighting, depth control, and smart HDR. Face ID to secure authentication, and Apple Pay. So really cool. Like I said, real nice starter phone to get into all these features. Wireless charging, works with QI chargers. iOS 12, I believe now you can get 14, maybe 15 on it. ID validation required for price shown. You must see a Metro store to get this deal. So, like I said, you will have to sign up. So you have to switch over to Metro by T-Mobile, and you will have to get their $60 monthly plan with a valid ID. And like I said, switch over from competing carrier. Not even sure if Boost Mobile switching over since they use T-Mobile's network. If you guys want to let me know in the description below, I'm not too sure. Like I said, I don't really deal too much with Metro, but if you have like Cricket, Verizon, US Cellular, AT&T, or anything like that, you can switch over to Metro and get this deal for 50 bucks, you know, just in time for the holidays. Now, this is while supplies last, so just be wary that, especially with holidays around the corner, there might not be any. So just check your local store. Here in my town, I have, I think, like 4 Metros. So one of them should have at least one. So thank you for watching, guys. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this. Are you thinking about getting it? Is the XR even still a good phone for you guys? Like I said, for the average Joe, I think it's perfect. It has everything that you want, 64 gigs of memory. It's an iPhone. I mean, so you can use their Apple products. I have the 13 Pro. It's an amazing phone. I mean, you know, I'm a strong Android guy, guys, but Apple, I mean, they know how to do it, man. They know how to get it done. So please comment, rate, subscribe, guys. If you want to support the channel, you can by checking out Honey. Honey is a free web browser extension. I find you the best promo codes on popular shopping websites like Amazon, Metro, Cricket, Walmart, and many more. Get it today at joinhoney.com/ref/Dragonic. They do cashback rewards, so that does help you guys out. You get 2% back sometimes on your purchases just from buying on Boost or Metro or Cricket or whoever, guys, or even Walmart. So it's pretty cool. You can use that for rewards like Amazon gift cards or just Visa cards. So check out the description below. Use that link. If you download it and you save some money, I get some small kickback for that. So check it out. Thanks for watching, guys.